Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City, Philippines. It's already 12 midnight and I'm going to sign off now. But I prepared a lot of videos and to be uploaded on tomorrow or the next few days. I'm gonna sleep. I am sleepy. But before that, I would like to greet my friend a happy birthday. Happy birthday to Hendrelito Tasio. Happy birthday, and God bless you more. I hope to see you this before end of this month of January. I know that you are busy to your career, but I wish that you have time this month of January. Thank you everyone. Thank you for always following and subscribing my YouTube channel. Continue to likes and to shares. Continue to follow my Facebook Reels. God bless everyone.